I'm Miss Anderson, and we are at Coppell Nature Park at the Biodiversity Education Center, and the IB Environmental Science classes are leading the Aquatic Science classes in water quality studies, and so they went out and collected data on the stream. They will be taking that data and analyzing it to see what the water quality is like.
My name is Shravya Padasetti. I'm a senior and I'm in IB Environmental Science, and today we're here at the Coppell Nature Park to measure water quality through different methods and apparatuses.
The environmental science class is going to actually do an environmental impact assessment and do that report for the Friends of Coppell Nature Park in November.